Overlook Town for level 3. Check the objective and rewards after completing. Pull out your motorcycle and go to the location. All gears are Tier 1, not yet start up and calibrated. As you progress, make sure to star up, calibrate your gear and armor. We will make a separate video for that, so watch out. Get inside that panorama building behind. Enter with caution. There are enemies inside. You can gather scrap in every area you enter. Open storage box as well. That's a mystical crate, circled in yellow. Go get it. Enter that door, then turn left. Open that door behind you and get in. That's a gear crate, circled in yellow. Go get it. Now head back outside the building. Next area is where the red arrow is pointing. Circled in yellow, a weapons crate. Get it. And be careful, enemies coming out the billboard. Oops, watch out for that. Adrenaline shot to recover. After using, it has a cool down time. Not again. Oh boy, check it. The adrenaline cool down time. Now, let's go look for the rift anchor to finish this. That's the rift anchor. A light shining. Let's head that way. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.